The Bexar County Probate Court, a legal institution meant to safeguard the wishes of the deceased. But according to a growing conspiracy theory, it's also a web of corruption, where judges and attorneys manipulate the system for personal gain. So what's really going on behind the scenes? This theory claims that powerful figures inside the court work hand in hand with select attorneys, favoring their cases in exchange for control over the estates they manage. It's a closed circle, they say, where decisions benefit the insiders, not the families. But why would a court engage in such practices? The answer, according to believers, lies in the assets. Estates are worth millions. Judges allegedly use their influence to control those assets and distribute them to trusted associates, all while appearing to work within the law. One case often cited by conspiracy theorists is that of Jacqueline in Zambrano, Nikodym, a local attorney. She claimed she was pressured by judges to share her fees in exchange for favorable rulings. She even alleged bribes were exchanged and that her clients' estates were mishandled. Zambrano Nikodym took these claims to authorities. But despite the gravity of her accusations, the case was dismissed. The official reason? The lack of evidence. Some believe this dismissal was more than a coincidence. To them, it's a sign that the court is protecting itself, keeping its secrets hidden. The dismissal of her case only fueled the conspiracy further. Critics say the legal system is too tightly knit, with judges using their authority to silence those who speak out. After the investigation, Jacqueline was even hired by the court, a move that raised more questions than answers. But not everyone buys into the conspiracy. The court has strongly denied any wrongdoing. Officials point out that there are strict ethics policies in place to prevent conflicts of interest. Judges, they say, are required to recuse themselves from cases involving friends or colleagues, ensuring a fair process. Moreover, some argue that probate cases are complex and often emotionally charged. When family members fight over inheritance, it's easy for accusations of corruption to arise. That doesn't mean the accusations are always true. In fact, they could simply be the result of personal frustrations. One issue that does raise eyebrows is the lack of transparency. Unlike other probate courts in Texas, Bexar County doesn't offer a public database for case information. This makes it hard for outsiders to scrutinize decisions, leading some to ask, what's being hidden behind closed doors? Still, with no solid proof, the conspiracy remains just that, a theory. The evidence is murky, and while suspicions linger, there's no definitive answer, so where does that leave us? The truth may never fully emerge. But what the Bexar County case reminds us of is the need for transparency in our legal systems. It's up to the public to demand accountability.